Hi guys, looks like it's time for me to change the batteries on my Honeywell thermostat. So I decided to make a video to help some people who needs help, don't know how to do it. It's very simple. First thing you want to do, definitely turn off the system to not confuse the system. And some of the Honeywell models you'll have to pull from the side, pushing down and pull it this way. In this particular model, you just grab it on the edges, make sure your thumb's right here, and you just pull it towards you, like this way. So look at this, at the edge, and you just wiggle it a little bit and just pull it. You see? Pretty simple. Then you see the batteries right here, AA's. I'm gonna replace my batteries with Rayback high efficiency batteries, as you can see. And I think these are the best. You can check out the reviews, and they're personally the best batteries you can get. I'm gonna replace them real quick. There you go. As you can see, they changed. Then all you do, get it back right here. Just go from the top, align it, and just push. And it's done. So, and that's it, guys. You go turn the system back on. As you can see, replace the battery is gone. You go to heat. Well, we need heat here, but I don't really need it right now. I'll leave it at 64. And that's it, guys. Please like my video. Have any questions, comment below. I'll place the batteries in the description. You want to check it out, and definitely the best, the cheapest batteries you can get. For $20 you can get 60 batteries. And that's it, guys. Have a good one.